Welcome to DJM TV.
Yes, so my people, greeting and welcome on once again to DJM TV. My people, update we carry on this time around now about politics and politicians. So Peter Obi will be the presidential candidate of Labour Party. Well, I'm not waiting play for court last week when they talk say all their petition they rule their ass. And after that, this is so different talk, different comment don dey come out say person wey carry thought dey fight say make dem declare am winner this and that. To the extent this woman wey dey call Loretta Onoshe, she come outside come write to DSS say dem arrest Obi, say Obi dey plan on how to collect government by force to make himself president. Right now Peter Obi don come outside o, he don send message to all his supporters, the obedient there, say make dem no dey demoralized, make dem calm down. Say all these things na wetin go happen. He say he don experience am before, even for Anambra State where he first do governor. All these things, if I say all these things, make dem calm down. Say this matter, he just say all this matter na distractions. Make the obedient, make dem no mind all this talk here and there, and most especially make no dey demoralized. Anyway, my friend, no go talk too much. Make una watch Peter Obi, make una hear from am all wetin talk for this video, and make una no forget to like and share. Watch the video.
Once we finish this court section, I'm going to start moving around and touring where I'll have opportunity to meet people like you. You know, this year, everything went into a rush. Don't be demoralized. Change is a very difficult thing because we're trying to bring a change. Remember when you try to bring a change, you have for enemy all those who live off the old order. Even those you're trying to better their life, because they're not sure whether you will succeed, are on the fence. So bringing a change is a very difficult thing. I've been in this process. I contested the election in Anambra State after I had 3 years of campaign, spending a fortune of my own resources. I was in court for 3 years. I used to come to court even alone. Nobody is going to be there with you. And then, of course, 6 months into it, I was impeached for doing the right thing. For doing the right thing. If I give you number one item where I was impeached was because my own office as governor, the budget to refurbish it, approved budget, from my predecessor was 292 million naira, and I spent only 43 million renovating it, and the house, because they were to benefit from it, said I didn't go to the due process, and that was my number one reason for being impeached. Number two item, and that's where I was same thing. They had a budget of 481 million naira, 86 million naira to refurbish, to rebuild and refurbish the governor's lodge, which is my own lodge where I'm supposed to live. I did everything with 81 million naira. And on these two items, I was impeached for doing the wrong thing. If I went to court, when I presented my case in the court, everybody was. So, if you're going through this, it is a difficult, painful thing. But it's not going to be easy. It's going to be difficult. Look at what is happening today, where people stay 4 years in office and leave office saying they will build a house for them in the capital, build a house for them in Abuja, build a house for them in their village. So if I'm governor of Anambra State, they'll build a house for me in Oka, build it in my village, build it for me in Abuja, and pay me where they change my cars every 2 years or every 3 years. So when I said to people that Anambra State have not bought me a bottle of Coke since I left, people are saying, you're crazy, you're useless, you're this. At times, even your family members are questioning, what are you doing? Are you the only human being? So it is difficult. But remember, we believe that We must change it because we're on the right course. Otherwise, we'll consume everybody. So please do not be deterred, do not be demoralized. I know you've spent your time, your energy, your resources. It is difficult, but don't go away.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like
DJ APV. DJ APV.